Advertising. Companies today have access to a wide variety of advertising options. Advertisements can reach customers in various ways, including while watching television, visiting out of home, or browsing the internet. To determine which types of advertising best suits its needs, a company may need to consider numerous factors such as budgets or the consumers it wants to target. What is advertising? The definition of advertising is an industry used to call the attention of the public to something, typically a product or service. The definition of advertisement is the means of communication in which a product, brand, or service is promoted to a viewership in order to attract interest, engagement, and sales. Why are advertisements important? Advertisements are a guaranteed method of reaching an audience. By creating an engaging ad and spending enough to reach your target users, advertisements can have an immediate impact on business. This effect could be seen in improved trade or boosted brand recognition among many different metrics. 14 different types of advertising. In this video, we provide examples of 14 different types of advertising that companies can use to promote their products or services. 1. Print advertising. 2. Direct mail advertising. 3. Television advertising. 4. Radio advertising. 5. Podcast advertising. 6. Mobile advertising. 7. Social media advertising. 8. Paid search advertising. 9. Native advertising. 10. Display advertising. 11. Outdoor advertising. 12. Guerrilla advertising. 13. Product placement advertising. 14. Public service advertising. In next video, we discuss details about 14 types of advertising. For more great entertaining videos about advertising, subscribe and stay tuned.